1970 Buick Skylark. It's got even its own custom plate, guys. Look at that. It's fancy. I like it. It's been restored. It's not like 100% restore, but it's a clean one. It's not like every nut and bolt, you know. There's still some rust here. It's still got some patina to it, but it's clean. I like it. Let me show you guys what's been done to it. So it's got a 350 motor in it, and it's got long tube ceramic coated headers right there, right there. Then it's ran in, I'm gonna say, 2.5-inch pipe all the way back. It's got 2 Flowmaster 40 series, one there, one there. And then it's got 3-inch tailpipes out the back. And look at the turns on those tailpipes, guys. It's snug. But they fit, they don't rub, nothing. He thought he had a leak, but there's no leak or anything. So I said, man, let me do a video for YouTube. We don't have a Buick Skylark in here. And he's like, absolutely, please do. So that's what we did. So I'm going to give you guys a walk down on it. Whee! Like that. Flowmasters and tailpipes out the back. Look at the back of it. Even the back is clean. It's all there. It's not missing anything. It's not cracked. The paint is good. Just a classic car. I like it. Lines are straight. Other than being repainted, the car is all original, which is clean. All right, anyways, let me let you guys hear it. Stay tuned. And like always, subscribe. Any minute. Nothing like that classic sound, guys. Look at that. Buick Skylark. With that classic muscle. What a beast. Here's sound decibels at idle. That's idle. Around 85. Rev it. Right at 105. Sounds good, man. You guys, it's solid. Look at it. It's clean. Classic muscle. Skylark. You don't see these every day. How wide it is, too. You guys here on the inside. Even the interior, look. Very clean. Got one tear there, but that's normal. Look at that. Nice. I love it. Thank you so much for bringing it in, man. Real appreciable. We go. They need to bring back the Skylark. What do you guys think? Should they bring back the Skylark? That turning radius, it's pretty cool. Oh yeah, that's evil right there. Sounds good. Enjoy, guys.